In this video, I will show you how to fix Epic Games error code AS-3 no connection on Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem, first thing you have to do, restart your system. And after restart, you can try second method. Click on Start Settings. Now here click on Network and Internet. Now Advanced Network Settings. Now click on Network Reset and reset your network. Then close it and again restart your system. Hopefully using this simple and basic method we can fix and resolve Epic Games error code AS-3 no connection on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment any method work for you or not.